Hey, boss.
I see you're back. How are you?
Good, yourself?
Not too bad.
So, what can I do for you today?
Free my schedule up. I can start tomorrow.
Okay, well, I do like people who show initiative, and I'll give you that much. You know what? I'll take a chance on you.
You have any other sizes?
It's one size fits all. It's unisex. Hey, tomorrow maybe you can tell me what your name is and fill out an application?
Not a problem.